Good morning, guys. My name is Gaurav and I am representing Nestaway in this presentation today. And today we're talking about this property, which is actually 3 BHK and it has 3 bedrooms and one kitchen over here, which you see. The owners are right now not present here, but this property they've been staying for more than 20 years. The property's dimensions are actually 100 meters by 60 meters. That's the dimension. So it's a total of 6,000 square feet. I will be showing you this side of the property. There are actually 2 buildings in this property. One which belong to, I think, the brothers that stayed here. So this is one of their houses and that is the other place. So the one thing that you can see commonly on this property is the amount of gardening work that has been put in to give a very lively and very forest feel to the place. Obviously it has taken a lot of effort on the part of the owners to develop and maintain this property. So I will be showing you some shots of what they've done and the different types of flowers and fruits that they've grown. So we'll get to that in a bit, but this is me, Gaurav, and today we'll be walking around this property and checking out the in and outs, mainly of what we can find outside. So let's do that. Guys, as I was talking you through this place, this is the wonderful garden that we were talking about. So what we have right behind me here is actually a rose plant, which is I think yet to bloom. Then we have guava plants here. I don't know if you can see them, but there are some guavas growing. And next to me on this side, we have this wonderful hibiscus plant. I'll show you some of the shots of it in a bit. So as we move this side, we'll actually see the entrance to the ground floor, which you see over here through these bushes. And there is a path over here, as you can see, to reach the ground floor. And a little more to this side, and then you can see the first floor entrance, which is again a wonderful railing setup for people who are a little older to climb safely and reach the higher floor. So the first floor is over there. I'll get to that in a bit. So guys, on to the parking aspect. As you see, there are 2 garages behind me, one which can fit a sizably large vehicle like an SUV and another slightly smaller one but can still fit your average size car. So there is enough yard space, as you see, to complete a turn and exit through that passage there and reach the main road and travel wherever you want in Bangalore. I actually just found out recently from the owners that this property is about 30 to 40 years and it is in amazing shape for its time, I must say. Other than the buildings looking a little cracky and a little bit of chafement happening here and there, it's in wonderful shape, I must say, and it has a lot of modernization going for it. I will show it to you in a while, but it has a CCTV setup. So right now the owners are keeping track of what I'm doing on their property. So it's got everything going for it. It is everything you're looking for in a modern house, but completely done 30 years ahead of its time. Situated in the center of the city, believe it or not. It has a bunch of roads that connects to it. It's in the heart of Sadashivanagar, which I'm sure some of you know. So Sadashivanagar has a lot of things going for it. It has Sankey Tank right about few meters from here, which is a nice place to walk for all the residents of Sadashivanagar and some other people who like to walk. So you also have a lot of schools in and around. You have Selamaris on the road right next to me. Then you have Pune Pragna, which is about 500 meters from here. Mount Carmel College, which is a very famous girls' college in Bangalore, is just about a kilometer the other side. With respect to shopping, you have the Malleshwaram market, which is always bustling early in the mornings with beautiful flowers, fruits, similar to what we've seen here today, but that is for everyday consumption. Then you also have a lot of shopping malls. Because of Malleshwaram, you have Mantri Mall, which is one of the biggest malls in Bangalore. Then you also have Orion Mall. You have a lot of multiplexes in and around. So this area has a lot going for it. With respect to public transport, you have bus stands. There's one on my right side and one on the other side on my left side. Then you also have auto access and cabs, as you see, because the roads are always bustling. So there's always busy traffic and there's always people who can come and help you with your ride with Uber or Ola. So hi guys, there's actually also a lot of place I noticed for kind of an evening party setup that you can have here, because this yard is actually much bigger than it looks to the eye. You have enough place for a 20-person seated table here and a wonderful chair setup, have some music playing. It's got everything that you're looking for in a modern house, like I mentioned, but packed into a very, very old school type of art form over here. So this is the yard space where you can have your parties, you can have your get-togethers, your meetings. If you want some kind of a business talk that you can have this chair set up here. You have the cemented side of the yard and the muddy part of the yard. So depending on the weather, you can choose which you want. So it's actually, again, like I mentioned, a very, very impressive place. The owners actually also have a pet and it is a pet friendly place. I've asked them if I could play with their pet in a while, and they are yet to get back to me on that, so let's see how that goes. But this is the yard space, and I'm pretty sure the dog is going to have a wonderful time to run around here and all of that, so let's see how that goes. This is their back door, conveniently next to the tank, as in the old days where they used to come out from the back door, pump the water up through their hands and continue their day. And if you notice here, you'll see a tap to wash their hand outside after their gardening activities or playing with their pet, and conveniently some soap kept over there. So this is that old school tank, which is always going to be evergreen because of Sankey tank, which is very close by, as I mentioned, and that's the reason the groundwater is not going to reduce anytime soon. Just to summarize what we discussed here today, this property has a wonderful garden, yard space. It has outdoor seating, party and meeting place. It has 3 car parking space, 1 in the passage, 2 in the garages. There's one building with 3 BHK, which is a roofed house. There's another building with 3 floors, and there's a 90s themed well. There's also CCTV cameras for protection. There's also separate entrances for the first and the second floor. Now it is located in the heart of the city with easy access to educational institutions, hospitals, grocery shopping and shopping malls. It's easy to reach for Ola and Uber cabs and autos. The metro station, the closest metro station, is 1.5 kilometers away. If you found this property interesting and want to know more, contact us with the details below. Thank you.